Hi everyone, I just wanted to hop on here and go over what we are going to be working on next in class. This is called a pecha kucha, and I will get to what that means in 1 second. This is going to be how we are presenting our research. First, let's talk about what we've been doing. We've spent the last few weeks reading our class novel, writing our journal prompts, collecting evidence to support our research, and finding relevant sources. So much of your research project is already done. What we need to do next is just cross that finish line. We are going to compile everything we've done into a cohesive research project. But I do have a little secret for you. We are not writing a paper. Instead, we are going to be doing something called a pecha kucha. What is that? That is Japanese. Pecha kucha is Japanese for chit chat, which is another way of saying a casual conversation. It's like a PowerPoint, like the one I'm using right now, except there's no text on the screen, only images. The slides automatically advance while you are speaking. The original pecha kucha has 20 slides for 20 seconds apiece, but for our purposes, we are going to work with the format of 10 slides for 30 seconds apiece. I feel like that works better for our hero's journey stages. We will have 8 slides outlining the stages of the hero's journey that we have been working on in class, plus a title and a conclusion slide. Here are some of the benefits for presenting research in this way. The first is that it requires you, the presenter, to be concise and comfortable with your research and your materials. The next benefit is that there's no text on your presentation to distract audience members from listening. I know we've talked before about how English language arts is not just reading and writing, but rather oral expression or speaking and listening as well. So I like that this research project will help us with those skills too. And finally, a pecha kucha allows only the most important information to be shared. Here's a general idea of how to do it. First, you write your script. This is almost like writing a paper, except for the fact that nobody will see it. You simply need to know what you want to say and outline that. Next, you're going to choose images to align with your topics. This will give the audience guideposts to look for as you move through your presentation, as well as prompt you for what you're going to talk about next. And finally, you need to practice. Practice is the most important part of a pecha kucha. This will test all of your skills, your research skills, writing, speaking, and listening skills. So the next steps for you is to click into Module 13 and select the pecha kucha examples link. There you will find a long list of examples from previous students. I want you to watch several of those, maybe 3 or 4, get comfortable with the idea of what I am asking you to do. And then next class, we'll be going over exactly how to create the presentation, and we'll start working on our scripts together. I don't want you to stress about this. This is just a new and different way to present research, and I hope that you will all find it different and valuable. I will see you soon.